I am back on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Hi guys and happy new year. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are blessed. I hope you are living life. Oh my gosh. I know it's so late into the year, into January, and I'm here wishing you guys happy new year. But there is a reason to it, okay? I have been dealing with deadlines and assignments this past few weeks. However, I'm done. I am done with my master's degree. I am done. Like, it's over. It's all over, baby. So I've submitted everything and now I just have to wait for the result. I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful to God that I'm done. Like, I am actually really done. So for my first video of the year, I asked you guys on Instagram, my friends and people that follow me on Instagram, to ask me questions that they want to know about me. And the questions are very interesting. My friends really thought this is an opportunity to just show themselves, and I love that they engaged, and I'm very thankful for that. I'll answer the questions, and I hope you enjoy this Q&A. Get to know me a little bit better. I've done one Q&A question, but I did it in Igbo language. The first question, someone asked me, I know you're Igbo. What state are you from in Nigeria? I am from Imo State. My mom is from Abia State. My dad is from Imo State. But generally in Nigeria, you're typically from where your dad is from. So I am from Imo State because that's where my dad is from. But it doesn't take away that I'm from Abia State as well. Do you love me? Someone asked me, do you love me? Yes, Soraya, I love you. I love you very much. Do you have a Valentine's date? I don't have a Valentine date as in a guy, but I've made plans for Valentine's Day weekend, so I have things going on. Will you advise someone to go to uni and why? I will 100% advise going to uni. It's a great way to build your network, to meet great people, and also extend your intellectual capacity and abilities. So I will 100% encourage it. Also, you're not too old to go back to school. So if you feel like that you don't have age on your side anymore, trust me, you do. Okay, if you want to go back to school, go and get that degree because it will make you more employable, so I would definitely encourage it and help yourself build your connection. If you're a young person, it would also allow you to get the uni experience. Obviously, we all know university is not for everybody, but if you want to go into a career-led path, then I would encourage it. And also, it's just a nice way to just meet people and have a qualification to your name. So yeah. Advice to your younger self. So what advice would I give to my younger self? Oh, don't doubt yourself. To be able to stand up for myself and speak up when I'm not happy. And yeah, and also know that you're a baby girl. That's the advice I'll give to my younger self. Just know yourself, trust yourself, trust your instinct, be self-confident enough, have self-confident enough to be able to speak up when things are not benefiting you, when you're not happy about a situation or something, be able to speak up about that. So that would be the advice I'll give to my younger self. Someone asks, what would you do if your dad did not approve of the guy you want to marry? This is a very tricky one because I do value my parents' opinion, and I'm not going to lie. I value my parents' opinion so much. Not to say that they tell me what to do, because my parents don't really tell me what to do like that. They just advise me. If my parents are not approving of the man that I want to get married to, it depends. What is their reasoning? What is their reasoning that they don't want me to get married to this person? Is it that they know something that I don't? So if you just want to be difficult, then too bad. Have a very substantial reason. So the next question is, would you rather marry an ugly rich man or a handsome poor man? an ugly rich man. What do you mean? Like, I'm good looking for the both of us. Like, my beauty can cover the both of us, okay? I will marry an ugly rich man. God forbid. I hope my husband is going to be some fine man, But if it has to be that, then I'm definitely marrying an ugly rich man, because like money brings out the beauty in people. I don't think you understand. You're not ugly. You're not ugly. You're just broke. Who handsomeness help? Like, who handsomeness help? Do you get me? No. Uh, a rich man that is not, very handsome. I wouldn't call people ugly either, but someone that doesn't really have looks, it's okay. I'm good looking for the both of us, okay? My beauty can cover the both of us. At least our kids know that they can tap into my beauty. Do you get? So yeah. Who is your celebrity crush? This is a setup. So my celebrity crush, well, for a guy, it will be Flavor. Okay, Flavor Nabania is my celebrity crush. And following up from that question, someone asked, what would you do if you see Flavor? I don't know. What would I do? I don't know what I would do. I guess I will go up to him and I will say hello. Like, I'm a fan. I appreciate your talent. I appreciate your hard work. What else can I do? You just have to just smile and, can I take a picture? That's it. I don't know what else you can possibly do, but I'm not one of those people that just be like, oh my God, Flavor. Those people that throw themselves at celebrities. No. But I would definitely, it would be a fangirl moment for me. Someone asked, when will you marry Flavor? Hiba? Hiba? I'll marry Flavor when Flavor marries me. Which is looking like never. Okay. I love Flavor so much. I just love the man. I love the way he just carries himself. I just love his talents and his music. And my friends know this. So that's why they ask it. That's why this question is like Flavor, 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 Flavor. I've always said I'm waiting for Flavor. No, I've always said Flavor is waiting until I finish school so he can come and pay my bride price. Now that I'm done with school, what's my excuse? What's my excuse? Where's Flavor? Flavor is nowhere to be seen. Okay, I would just love the man from afar. Okay, like I've been doing all these years. People should leave me alone, please. I don't like stress. Okay, I don't like wahala. What's your biggest regret and why? I don't have regrets. I don't have any regrets in this life. I can't think of any regrets at all, because I believe that every situation happens for a reason. Everyone you meet happens for a reason. The next question is, describe your ideal. I'm guessing your ideal man. Someone that is kind, someone that is very homely. Just, I want my friend. Okay, oh God. I want a funny guy. I want someone that's funny. Someone that can be able to laugh with, Yeah. And someone that is godly. Someone that is, someone that is godly and that's just a nice person. Any deal breakers? Any deal breaker? A deal breaker for me, this is for relationship and friendships, is someone that wants to dim my light, like somebody that doesn't want me to be myself. Okay, you meet people and they just want to influence you and they just want to change you. For me, no, that is a deal breaker for me, because why are you trying to change me? Why are you trying to do that? And most time is always change me or mold me for what they want me to be. Like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't like people that like to impose their ideas or their opinions on people. For me, that is a deal breaker. Do you think you are an extrovert or an introvert? I'm definitely an introvert, but with a hint of extrovert. So I am very okay being by myself. I can spend weeks, months by myself in my space and it won't be a problem. I don't have a problem like, but at the same time I like being around people. I like being around my friends. I would prefer an indoor activity, a get together, like in a small group. Also, if I do go out, I am able to mix and interact well with people. So I'm a bit of both. But I rather indoors get-togethers. So yeah, I don't really like the whole club and things like that. Like, no, I rather just chill at home. Um, do you plan do you plan on living in the UK forever? No. I want to be able to have a life in Nigeria and also have a life in the UK. Someone asked me for my sexual fantasies. Wow. Um, no. You don't need to know that. I will kindly decline. Are you in a relationship? And if not, why? I'm not in a relationship because I haven't found the right person, or shall I say, well, technically the man has to find me, right? So I haven't, a man that has found me, I haven't found back. Technically, I haven't been caught. I'm not in a relationship yet because I just haven't met the person. Let's do a collaboration. Yes, for me, we are going to do a collaboration 100%. I will send you a DM and we will take it from there. Okay, I'm pretty excited to see you. I haven't seen you for a while, so I hope you're okay. Would you want your partner to be Nigerian or does it not matter? It matters to me. It matters to me. Preferably, I want my partner to be Igbo. Okay, I want an Igbo man. I would prefer to marry an Igbo man. Now, I am a bit open to the person just being Nigerian, but I would definitely want to get married to an Igbo man because I do want an Igbo family. So, yeah. Do you have any tattoos? No, I don't. I don't have any tattoos and I don't think I will get a tattoo. However, I do like tattoos on people. I do like tattoos on other people and I would admire that, but I don't want one on myself. So if peradventure my partner or my kids get a tattoo, I will be okay with it, but I don't want it on myself. What's my favorite food? I like yam. Yam is my favorite food. I like fried yam, cooked yam, roasted yam, any kind of yam. If you could have one last meal, what would it be? My mom's ofoha. Yeah. I would like to have my mom's oha soup if it was my last day, but I'm not dying anytime soon. This question is, who would you love to do a collaboration with? I would love to do a collaboration with Dimma Ume. I love Dimma. Like Dimma is such an elegant, classy babe. Like I love Dimma so much and I admire her skill, her talent, her beauty, her intellect. Oh, I love it. I love her and I love the fact that she can just be her and just be herself. I love Dimma Ume. And Dimma, if you ever see this video, I am a fan, a huge fan, okay? And yeah, maybe also Temi Otedela as well. I don't know how that would happen, but okay, I think I would love to work with her or do something with her in the future. I would love to do a collaboration in terms of YouTube, obviously. I would love to do a collaboration with Dima Ome. Temi, what is your dream vacation? My dream vacation would be a vacation where I don't have to plan anything. I would just turn up. which is a bit worrying for me. I like to know everything, what we're doing, where we're going, because I like to plan ahead. But my typical dream vacation would in a hot region. I would love to go to Singapore. Describe yourself in 5 words. Kind, patience, intelligent, industrious, gorgeous babe. Any travel advice for someone visiting Nigeria for the first time? Yes, yes. You have to be wise. Okay, you have to shine your eyes. Shine your eyes well, because these people are going to try to rip you off. Okay, if you're coming from the airport, make sure you have cash with you. Ideally 200 naira. Okay, so make sure you have money with you, because people are going to want you to give them money. And also, don't let anyone touch your luggage from the airport. Do go with an open mind. They are lovely people, great food, but yeah, just don't dull, don't try and be like, don't try and show that you're a novice, because people are going to take advantage of that. 100%. Will you teach your kids Igbo? 100%. 100%. I would definitely teach them Igbo, because that's what I do. Hey girl, you've got great skin. What's your skincare routine? The person that asked this question say this all the time, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. But my skin just be popping. I got it from my mama. But thank you. If you do want to see a video of what I do to my skin as per washing and the products that I use to, the cream and stuff, I'm happy to do that. But I don't really have like a planned out skincare routine that I strictly do or abide to. I don't have that. A guy takes you out on a first date and he asks you to pay. What are you doing? Pay for yourself? A guy takes you out on a date and you ask me to pay, then it's not a date. What are you doing? It's not a date. The minute that I'm paying for myself, it's not a date. Okay, now we are just friends hanging out. And yeah, if we go on a date and you ask me to pay, I'll pay for myself. If you don't want to pay for me, I'll pay for myself. But just know that you're not seeing me again. Like, huh? That is not a date. If you want to hang out, just say we are hanging out, friends hanging out, that's fine, but that is not a date. Will you marry your best friend? I would love to marry my best friend. The question said, would you marry your current best friend? I don't really have a best friend. I don't really have best friends. I have close friends, but I don't have best friends. But ideally, I would want to get married to a friend, somebody that I know and trust. I would want to marry somebody. I would want to marry my best friend. Yes, I would love to marry my best friend. How's 2022 going so far? It's going well so far. Like I said, I've already submitted my deadlines, so now it's just focusing on what life has to offer. So far so good, because there's great plans, and obviously take YouTube seriously. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope your year is blessed, filled with amazing news, filled with amazing experience, and may this year be the best year yet for each and every one of us. Amen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I got a lot of new subscribers just over the holidays, so welcome. I hope you enjoy the videos, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.